Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories, again talking about Clearplex and the Model 3 and Model S rear corner windows. We had a few people reviewing our first video. They were talking about the window breaking tool and how we weren't using it the way it was designed. So let's take a look at the demo that Matico gives us. Now this is a demo to show people what happens when a stone hits your window or hits it hard, or if someone's trying to break into your car in this case. But take a look down here, and you can see if you use the window breaker and you force it all the way down, it will crack the glass when it goes through. So this is what they use on our Model 3 windows to shatter it and then to pop it out, because it's pretty quiet relatively to taking a baseball bat. So here is the same piece of glass treated with the Matico super thick plastic film. Now watch now. Same thing. Okay, so on the glass, same glass with the same protective film on it, you can see it's not shattering, it's not breaking. Thieves are not going to get through it. Now, let's take a look at the same glass we used in our video. And you can see on a flat surface, using the same window breaker, we pounded on it. It didn't break it, but let's do it the way it's designed. Put it down quietly. You sneak up to the car, you hold it down, crack, crack. They're not getting in your car. The RPM corner window protection kit works. Thanks again. Give it a shot, and it might save you a lot of headache and a lot of time. Nothing is breaking. Again, Clearplex by Matico. This stuff works. Thank you.